So this is our RPG. We start out with a menu and switch function in the very beginning to pick your ability for the game. So the menu function allows the user to pick one of 4 abilities, and then the switch function would then display a string and the image of what you picked. So here's the menu. You can pick whatever you want, and then it shows an image of that selection. So next is another choice, choosing a weapon, one of 3 choices. So an if, else statement will be used to display this. So pick right down here, pick any weapon, input a string, it shows another image, and we had to use string compare to show this because you're comparing 2 strings. So a simple variable equals would not work correctly. Alright, and then it goes on to your next choice, choosing locations. So you have one of 2 choices to choose locations. You're going to input either C or W, depending on what choice you want to go to. So one takes you to the Licorice Castle, and the other takes you to the Lollipop Woods. So whatever you want. And then you meet someone on your path. So there's the image of the person you meet on your path. And you have 2 choices, depending on what location you choose. See, if I chose this one, I would meet this person on the path, but I chose this one. So an if-else statement will decide which image you see, which person you meet. And then you have 2 options whether to deal with them. You can attack them or you can talk to them. So we will talk. Alright, so you're in the last... Well, actually, first, this bit of code right here. Oops. Right here, would you come up to someone, blocks your path. Either your abilities can get you through this, or a gift, which is if you talk to this person here, you get a gift. If you attack them, you do not. And that will get you by the swamp. If you can't get by the swamp, then you'll get this right here, time equals 1, which will be a penalty in the end game, right here. So if, simple if statement, if time equals 1, you lose. Game over. Okay, so then here, where we are, you have 2 options. Because we have the gift, we have 2 options how to deal with this final level. You can attack or give the gift. We can give him the gift because we have it. Okay, so then you win. And this end game is one big, besides this first simple if statement, if you have time then you lose, is several nested if statements, all of this, 4, I think. So if you have if ability, so this means you pass the swamp, and you don't have any time. So you made it in time, you see the image. If you have a gift, you can choose to attack this final boss or give it to him. If you give it the gift, you win. If you attack him and you chose the sword or the spear in the beginning, you win. If you have the club, you're gonna lose. Alright. And this right here is this variable we gave up at the top in earlier code in case you did not you didn't get the gift, so you have to attack him at the end. And again, if you have the sword and spear, you're gonna win. If you have the club, you're gonna lose. All right, so that's it.